Assalamu alaikum, dear students and respected parents. Today I am going to explain PC Rand's Grammar Chapter 7 Common and Proper Noun. Now continue with the read these sentences. First, Anil is feeding a dog. Second, they have gone to Mysore. There is a lamp on the table. In these three sentences, there are some noun. Let's see what is it. The highlighted words in this sentence are called naming word like Anil, dog, Mysore, lamp and table. These all are name. So that is called naming word. So first sentence is Anil is the name of person. See the first sentence. Anil is feeding a dog. So Anil is a person. So Anil is the name of person. Second is dog. So dog, you know all children, dog is a name of animal. Next is Mysore. So Mysore is the name of place. वो जगह का नाम है. Or the word lamp and table are the name of thing. चीज का नाम है lamp and table. Now next is word such as these are called noun. Means जहाँ पे भी जो भी चीज़ है, जो भी प्लेस है, जो भी एनिमल्स हैं जिसको नेम्स होते हैं उसे हम लोग नेमिंग वर्ड कहते हैं और नेमिंग वर्ड इज कॉल्ड नाउन. Now see the definition of noun. A noun is the name of person, animal, place or things which I will explain you. Now continue with exercise 1. Complete the word in the square. They are all nouns. See the table. You have to complete this table. So first word is T-A-I-L, tail. B S T O P, stop. Next N E S T, nest. Next is K I T E, kite. S T A R, star. T R U E, true. D A T E, day. सो स्टूडेंट्स ये सारे नाउन्स हैं और ये टेबल आपको एक्सरसाइज टेक्स्ट बुक में दी गई है. सो यू हैव टू राइट इन दैट बॉक्स. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू विथ प्रॉपर एंड कॉमन नाउन्स. फर्स्टली वी विल गो थ्रू प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन डेफिनेशन. सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉमन नाउन. A common noun is a name given in common to every person or things of the same class or kind, as man, woman, boy, girl, town, country, book, desk. Children, ये सारे जो names हैं like man, woman, boy, girl, town, country, book and desk, ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं वो सबके लिए कॉमन है. सबके लिए हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं विच इज कॉमन टू एवरीवन. सो नाउ वी विल कंटिन्यू विथ प्रॉपर नाउन. What is proper noun? A proper noun is the special name of particular person or place as Abdul, Rama, Sita, Shirin, Mumbai, India. Means proper noun मतलब कि पर्टिकुलर प्लेस का नाम होता है, कोई पर्सन का नाम होता है और कोई पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स का नाम होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. अ प्रॉपर नाउन इज ऑलवेज बिगिन विद द कैपिटल लेटर. अगर वो पर्सन का नाम है, कोई प्लेस का नाम है, दिस ऑल प्रॉपर नाउन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कैपिटल लेटर्स. नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस. Number 1, look at the monument. It is the Red Fort. I have been to Mumbai. It is big city. That is Sarika. She is pretty girl. The words that are written in color in the sentences above are called naming or noun words. So children, यहाँ पे जो भी sentence दिए हैं, you have to read that sentence and you have to divide in common noun and proper noun. So first one is, which is written in a blue color, that is common noun, and which is written with the red color, that is proper noun. Now see, look at the monument, right? So monument is the common noun and Red Fort is proper noun because it had particular name. जिसका particular name होता है उसे proper noun कहते हैं. That means Red Fort. Number 2, Mumbai. Mumbai is the place name. So Mumbai is a proper noun, and city, that so many city are there. So city is a common name. We can use it for all cities. Now next is Sarika. So Sarika is a name of girl. So it is a particular name of the person. So Sarika is a proper noun and girl is a common noun. The words that are written in color in the sentence above are called naming word or noun. Now here notice that the word in blue like monument, city and girl are general name, and hence they are common name, which is common to everyone. On the other hand, the word in red color like Red Fort, Mumbai and Sarika are specific name of a monument, city and girl respectively. So यहाँ पे जो भी सारे नेम हैं लाइक रेड फोर्ट, मुंबई, सारिका, वो सारे पर्टिकुलर नेम है, मीन्स प्रॉपर नेम है. सो इट रिलेटेड टू कॉमन लाइक रेड फोर्ट इज अ मॉन्यूमेंट, मुंबई इज अ सिटी, सारिका इज अ गर्ल. सो ये जो सारे हैं वो everyone is have specific name. So see, hence they all are proper name. See the common name, common noun, proper name, proper noun. See, here festival, month, books and country, that all are common name and you have to write proper name. Like which festival means जो भी फेस्टिवल है उसका पर्टिकुलर नेम होता है. फेस्टिवल को हम लोग फेस्टिवल ही बोलते हैं, बट बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स हैं. यू हैव टू गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इट. सो फेस्टिवल, देयर इज अ, we had written, we can write so many, but here you have to give only 2 example like festival, Eid, Holi, month, April, August, books, the Bible, the Guru Granth Sahib and country India and England. आप लोग खुद से अपना एग्जाम्पल भी लिख सकते हो. Next table, common noun, proper noun. Here city, Chennai, Hyderabad. River, Ganga, Yamuna. Monument, the Charminar and Eiffel Tower. Religion, Islam and Hinduism. Mountain, Himalaya and Alps. यहाँ पे जो भी एग्जाम्पल दिए हैं वो मैंने लिखे हैं, आप लोग भी अपना खुद एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो. Now let's continue with exercise 3. From the following passage, pick out the common and proper noun, then write them in the column given below. See, this paragraph is about Qutub Minar. So, firstly, read the passage. I had recently visited the city of Delhi with my family. I visited some famous monuments like Qutub Minar, Red Fort and Jama Masjid while I was there. We went to Chandi Chowk, the market famous for its eateries. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan and was designed by his daughter Jahanara. She was a noble woman. We went to shop which sold perfumes. We bought Og and Noor, which are fragrance known for their sweet smell. ये जो पैराग्राफ है उसके अंदर से हमें प्रॉपर नाउन एंड कॉमन नाउन जो है वो फाइंड करना है और वो जो है हमें ये टेबल के अंदर लिखना है. सो द ब्लू कलर इज कॉमन नाउन एंड विच इज रिटन विथ रेड कलर दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. यहाँ पे जो भी ब्लू कलर से लिखा है वो कॉमन नाउन है और रेड कलर से जो दिखाई दिया है वो प्रॉपर नाउन है. सी द कॉमन नाउन इज सिटी, फैमिली, मॉन्यूमेंट्स, market, eateries, emperor, daughter, woman, shop, परफ्यूम, फ्रेगरेंस, स्मेल. ये जो भी सारे नाउन है वो सबके लिए सेम होते हैं, कॉमन होते हैं सबके लिए. हम वी कैन यूज इट. अब नेक्स्ट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. ये जो प्रॉपर नाउन है उसके अंदर पर्टिकुलर नाम होना चाहिए. मतलब जो भी चीज़ है उसके पर्टिकुलर नाम है. अगर वो प्लेस है, नाम है, पर्सन नेम है या प्लेस है, वो सबके अपने पर्टिकुलर नेम होते हैं. डेट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. सी इन दिस पैराग्राफ दिल्ली, कुतुब मीनार, रेड फोर्ट, जामा मस्जिद, चांदनी चौक, मुगल, शाहजहाँ, जहानारा, औग एंड नूर, ये सारे जो हैं वो प्रॉपर नाउन है. मीन्स विच हैव पर्टिकुलर नेम, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रॉपर नाउन. Now let's continue with exercise 4. Correct the following sentence by capitalizing the proper noun as and when necessary. यहाँ पे जो भी क्वेश्चन है, so you have to find that mistake and you have to capitalize that word, that letter, and you have to correct it. So first is Netaji was known for his bravery. So answer is Netaji was known for his bravery. So you have to correct the word Netaji and capital, right? So now next, the Royal Bengal tiger live in mangrove forest of the Sundarban. So the answer is the Royal Bengal tiger. You have to write the Royal, the T capital, Royal R capital, Bengal B capital, and Tiger T capital. Live in mangrove. You have to write mangrove M capital. Forest of the Sundarbans. So here also you have to write S capital. Next is Nina and Aman will be going to Patna soon. So answer is Nina and Aman will be going to Patna soon. So here you have to correct Nina capital N you have to write, and Aman you have to write capital A because it's the name of person, and whenever the name of person, name of place is there, you have to write with capital letters. So next is here Patna, capital P you have to write. Next is Shintoism and Buddhism are followed in Japan. So answer is Shintoism capital S you have to mention here, and Buddhism capital B you have to start from. Are followed in Japan. So you have to write Japan capital J. Start from capital J. So Shintoism and Buddhism are followed in Japan. Next is the Empire State Building is located in downtown Manhattan. So answer is the Empire State. You have to write capital T, then Empire capital E, and State capital S. The Empire State Building is located in downtown Manhattan. So you have to write Manhattan capital M. Next is the Hubble telescope is not open for public viewing anymore. So here answer is the Hubble. So here capital T you have to write at the place of T, small t. Hubble you have to write capital H. The Hubble telescope is not open for public viewing anymore. Next is the Jungle Book was written by Rudyard Kipling specially for children. So here the Jungle Book you have to write capital T, then Jungle Book you have to write capital J, and book you have to write capital B. So the Jungle Book was written by, here also you have to write Rudyard capital R, Kipling capital K, specially for children. So last is Hansel and Gretel is classic fairy tale that is known to many. So here also you have to write Hansel and Gretel is classical fairy tale that is known to many. Here also Hansel and Gretel is the name of person, so you have to start it from capital H and capital G. So which is written in red color, that is the correction of the question. So you have to know that which had written in red color, वो जो भी सारे हैं रेड कलर से लिखा हुआ है वो करेक्शन है. So if you have any query you can write in the comment box. Thank you.